Welcome to my channel. Comfast Wi-Fi Range Extender Setup. Comfast Extender is equipped to provide a speed of up to 1,200 megabits per second. With internet becoming priority in most homes and offices, it's important to have reliable internet coverage throughout. How to set up Comfast Wi-Fi Range Extender via WPS. Wait till the power light on the Comfast gets stable. If it's blinking, then it means it's booting up. Now press and hold the WPS on your router for around 2 seconds. As soon as you do that, you will see a blinking light on it. Within 2 minutes, push a WPS on the Comfast Extender 2. Now you will find a blinking WPS light on the extender itself. In case of strong signal strength, it takes just 10 to 15 seconds for extender to get connected with the router. Once connected, the WPS on the router will stop blinking and the WPS on the extender will turn solid. If WPS doesn't work after several tries, try resetting the extender. After successful connection, you can unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and the place where you need Wi-Fi connectivity. Lastly, in case WPS doesn't work, you can connect your Comcast extender network to mobile or laptop and go to 192.168.10.1 or ap.setup. Thank you for watching.